This Lwuey Mini Frying Pan single egg is a tiny marvel for your kitchen. It acts like a personal chef for single servings. The non-stick surface is a dream, and food glides off easily. Cleaning up is a breeze, and it saves you time. The long rubber handle stays cool, so you won't burn your hand. It's a staple for quick breakfasts and small meals. This Lwuey Mini Frying Pan single egg is versatile, and you can use it on gas or induction stoves. It's perfect for eggs, pancakes, and small omelets. Think of it as a blank canvas for your culinary creations. It's small and easy to store, saving precious space in your departments. While it doesn't come in quarts or from T-Fal, its unique charm makes it a valuable component of any family kitchen. The ASIN for this handy tool is B0CB4FW2J7. In conclusion, the Lwuey Mini Frying Pan single egg is a delightful addition to your cookware. It's not going to replace your larger skillets, but for individual portions, it shines. It's a simple yet effective tool, and it makes cooking single eggs and small items a joy. Forget about exaggerated claims. This little pan simply gets the job done. It's a practical and affordable utensil for any home kitchen, regardless of condiciones. Pros: individual serve, anti-heat handle, long handle, small and tiny, for pancakes, stove and gas. Induction hob, easy to clean, space saving, portable. Cons: might not suit families, limited cooking uses, tiny size, very compact individual portions. Only, small diameter, 12 centimeters. Not for large meals, could be inconvenient. Features: mini size, single egg, non-stick, round shape, omelet pan, individual, anti-heat handle. Long handle, small and tiny, for pancakes. This is a Lwuey Mini Frying Pan designed for cooking single eggs or small portions. It has a round, non-stick surface, making it ideal for omelets and pancakes. The pan is small and lightweight, featuring an anti-heat, long rubber handle for easy and safe use. It's suitable for gas and induction stovetops and is a handy, tiny piece of cookware for individual servings in your home kitchen. This Lwuey Mini Frying Pan is a very small, non-stick pan designed for cooking single portions like eggs or pancakes. It has a long, anti-heat handle for safe use on stoves, gas cooktops, and induction hobs. Being tiny and portable, it saves space and is easy to clean. But its small 12 centimeters size and limited capacity mean it's not suitable for families or large meals and might be inconvenient for some users.